Right, back with you once again here. I'm going to show you some sketches of floor plans that I've done. And I thought I'd do floor plans of my house, but look at this one here. First one I did. Kitchen oven, got a kitchen, this dining room table, and got a kitchen sink in the window, and refrigerator. Now, looking at this, I thought it'd be my house, but it's not. It's another floor plan I did, botched up. So this is the first one. And the second one, I'm about to show you this one right here. One with the living room with the two chairs, a table, and a television set in the window. And maybe it's a window on the side there as well. I kind of botched it up a little bit. It's a pity. It's too bad. Just like this first one over here. And finally, I'm going to show you another floor plan. It's the bed, the sofa, and a television set, and the desk, study desk, and a door. So, these are my sketches for today. Show you more in a future video.